tightness, dryness, lack of suppleness, your skin is calling out for nourishment and comfort. Discover the new Serum Omega, the ultimate nourishing care, vegan and made in France. Its oil-in-serum texture envelops the skin in a true cocoon of comfort. 99% natural origin, its expert formula is powered by the exclusive Lipo-Restore Complex, the latest innovation from Yon-Ka Paris research and development. It contains over 60% omega-3, 6 and 9, carefully selected for their perfect affinity with the skin and their ability to restore its balance. 31% less discomfort, 14% less redness, plus 44% smoother skin texture. From the very first application, skin feels soothed, restoring suppleness, softness, and lasting comfort. To extend the holistic experience, discover the Nutrilessence treatment in Yon-Ka Paris Spa and Institute for regenerated skin and a peaceful mind. New Serum Omega, your skin nourished, repaired, and protected.